In our last video, we were given some values. We were given that the mean of y was 4.21. We were given that the mean of x was 27.97. We also were given that the standard deviation of x was 3.76. And finally, we were given that the covariance SXY value was negative 2.15. We were then asked to find the equation of the line of best fit, and we used this equation in order to find, hold on, let's fix that up. We used this equation, y minus y bar equals SXY over SX squared x minus x bar in order to find our equation. And if you are not sure of how to do that, look back in the last video linked below. So when we used that equation, we got that the equation of our line is y equals negative 0.152x plus 8.46. All right, so now we have an equation of our line, and we have some mean values, and we're actually able to sketch or graph. So how does sketching the graph work once you have the equation of the line and the mean values? Well, your line must go through two specific points. So let's do that now. So our line of best fit, as we just said, must go through two specific points. The first point that the line of best fit must go through at all times is the y-intercept. Now, if you recall from coordinate geometry, when you have the equation of a line y equals mx plus b, the y-intercept is the b. That's where the line crosses the y-axis. So in this case, we have a y-intercept of 8.46, which means that the line must cross the y-axis at 8.46. The line also must go through the average. It's the average line, it must go through the average point. And we were given the average of x as well as the average of y. So it must go through both the average of x and the average of y, which we call the average point. X bar comma y bar, which in this case is 27.97 comma, so that came from here, 4.21. Which means that now we have 2 points, or y-intercept, which came from here, which is 0, 8.46. 0 because it's on the y-axis, 8.46 because that's how high up it goes. So now we can actually sketch the line because we have our 2 points that we need. So let's see. On the x-axis, we have to go up to at least 27.97. So I'll count with 5s, 5, 10, 15, and this is just a sketch. It's by no means perfect at all. 20, 25, 30. That's probably all we need because it goes up to, the mean point goes up to 27.97. And our y-intercept is 8.46. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. So it crosses at 8.46, a little higher than 8. And it goes through the average point, which is 27.97, comma 4.21. So 27.97, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. So 27.97 is probably around here. 4.21. So that point is around here. So we have 27.97, comma 4.21. That's our average point. And over here is our y-intercept. And all we need is 2 points. We can connect our 2 points and we create the line of best fit.